Come and learn with Jimmy!
Hi everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and today we're going to learn how to make our friend Forky from Toy Story 4. Now today in our arts and crafts, we're going to have a few little items. The first is a red stem. We then need 2 ends of a paddle pop. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then we need some blue tack, which is the color blue. We then need a red piece of string and a blue piece of string and some wobbly eyes. And then, most importantly, the spork, which is white. That's right. And of course, some PVA glue so we can put everything together. Now, it's important to note that it's always good to have an adult around when we're building our things in arts and crafts for safety. So, the first step is what we're going to do is going to put the stern on the spork so that we can make Forky's arms. Woo! So the first part is we get it halfway through and then we wrap one end around the other like so and the other one like that. And then we have his arms. Woo! Now we're going to make his hands. And what we do, we're going to get that last little bit and we're going to bend it around. So like this. 1. Like that. Like that. So you can see his little hand. Like so. And we're going to do the same thing on this end. And we're going to make it a little bit different. Do the other end so he has a bit more of a curve onto it. Like that. Ready? Alright. The next part is we're going to create his feet and we're going to add it to the bottom of our spork. So this is where we get our blue tack, which is nice and stretchy. Whoa! Oh wow, look at that. And we're going to make a ball. And we're going to roll it around in our hands like so. And there we have a blue ball. And we're going to add it right there on our spork. And we're going to move the blue tack up like so. And make a little pyramid at the bottom. Then we're going to get our paddle pops and going to add them to the bottom of the blue tack. Like so. So now I've got his left foot on and now I'm going to put his right foot on. And you see at the bottom I've wrapped the blue tack around the paddle pops to secure them. And then we have Forky's feet. Ooh! Okay, now it's time to make Woody's face. So, where we go is what we're going to do is get our googly eyes for Forky. Woo! And we're going to put them on. Now this is where we need our PVA glue, and we're going to apply a little bit of glue on the eyes. So we're going to start off with the big eye because Forky has one eye bigger than the other. So we put our PVA glue on here like this, just a little bit, like so. And then we stick it on like that. So that's one eye done. And now we're going to do our second eye. Like so. And we get the smaller eye, put a little bit of PVA glue on Forky. Like that. And we can create the eyes any way we want. The next, we're going to get our blue piece of string and we're going to make Forky's mouth. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shape this a little bit as I apply the PVA glue on, just a little bit. Don't want too much. And if you want, you can get your fingers and just add it in a little bit. And then we will add it onto the spork. And at the same time we're going to be shaping it as well. So we got like that, see? Now the final part is his eyebrow. So we get our red piece of string, our final piece, get our PVA glue again, and we put it on like so. Now we're going to put it on like that, like this. And there we have our friend Forky from Toy Story 4. Ah! I was made for fruit, salad, maybe chili, then the trash. Freedom! That's how you make our friend Forky from Toy Story 4. Now it's important to note that it doesn't matter if you have a white spork or a brown fork, because you're going to be creating your friend, and that's what's the most important thing. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you next time. Do you know how to find me? Of course. You search for my name. You know what my name is? Yeah? It's Jimmy. Ready to spell it with me? It's Jimmy. Jimmy. Bye-bye. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can find out more and keep up to date with the latest videos I create. Bye-bye.